So this is breaking, guys. GME finally starting to see something happen with them. All right, just need to.
All right, so like I said, GME finally starting to pump again, guys. We are going to go right into it and check out the screen display. I'm going to show you guys exactly what is going on and why it is happening. We're going to try to find some answers here. And, whoops, this is the wrong screen. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, I need to close this. Here we go. This is the portfolio. Yes, we are still in Robinhood, guys. I don't even care anymore. GME at 115. Let's go. What's up, guys? So I actually messed up. All right, I messed up. If you can see here, my average cost is at $65, but I only have 100 shares left. I messed up. All right, I made like a $2,000, a $3,000, $4,000 mistake already. I was trying to do a sell limit, a stop loss, and I accidentally stole 100 shares. I'm stupid, but whatever. I still hold 100 shares. Let's go, guys. What's up? Drop a like in the chat. Finally, GME starting to pump now. If you guys are wondering what is going on, we will figure that out in today's video. Currently, we're up $5,700 on the day. Dude, this feels exactly like it did just a few weeks ago. We're finally back in the game. Hopefully, all right? I've been telling you guys, diamond hands, hold the line. And for the last 2 weeks, I've been getting these tags. People keep calling me. People keep hating on me saying, oh, this guy's just a bag holder. This guy's trying to pump a stock. This guy's just, GME's dead. Look where we're at right now. Something massive is going on. GameStop is sitting at $120. This could be the short squeeze that is happening right now. If you guys are in this, make sure you're in this for the right reasons. Don't panic buy into this right now because nobody knows what is going on. Do not panic buy into this, guys. Let me adjust some stuff really quickly. Man, this is a impromptu, very impromptu video. I was not planning to go live today, but because GME is at almost $120, like what? All right, drop a like. 400 of you guys in here. If you guys are still holding GME, drop a like. If you guys are not holding GME, I understand. You guys will probably have to dislike this video for a while. All right, so let's go over some facts that we know what happened, all right? If we went on to my Instagram really quickly, I can show you exactly what I've seen. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet, go follow me right now. But we have a tweet by Ryan Cohen, and this kind of looks like a rocket ship, don't you guys think? With a frog emoji, and right after he posted this at 1 p.m. Right after that, something happened. Something happened. And dude, my computer's glitching. I can't even go in on this. What do you guys think is happening? So we know for a fact, Ryan Cohen, who is basically, he owns 13% of GameStop right now, and he bought that off the market. He didn't get like a backdoor deal or nothing. He just bought that straight off the market. So he's been doing a lot of changes to GME. Yesterday, he kicked out the CFO, or he resigned, which most likely he just got kicked out, and they're looking for a new CFO. On top of that, all morning, right? All morning, I keep an eye on this all day long, just so I can update you guys. Average volume here, all right, is 20 million basically, and volume right now is sitting at 47.27 million. And this probably happened within the last hour. Maybe around 20 million worth of volume in the last hour. This is not normal. GME has been on the slow climb. If we look at the week chart now, we're up 147%. I bought 100 shares last week, and I prematurely sold out, but it's fine. I don't even care anymore. So if you guys are still in this, I'm pretty sure you guys are still in this. We can take a look at AMC as well. All right, so welcome to the channel, guys. I'm way too excited for this. My name is Bruce Wang. We're talking GameStop again. It's in the news again. I know, same old story, but I. All right, guys, are we back? And we're back. Sorry about that. What's up, guys? So I'm reading into the chat now. What do you guys think is happening? Man, you guys are way too excited. Never left GME. Never left GME. Let's go. Dominic's. The short data will be released today. That is why. So, some theories that I have is, we could be seeing the short squeeze right now. All right. On Friday, a lot of option contracts, are always going to be closing on Friday. So a lot of these hedge funds that are short GME right now, they could be closing on their positions. That is one theory that I have. The second theory is what Dominic's just, thankfully, he posted for us. The short interest report is coming out today, and I think some hedge funds are seeing blood in the water. Some sharks are seeing blood in the water right now, and they're gonna buy up this opportunity to take down other hedge funds. Right now is all pure speculation. Hopefully, you guys have been following the channel. If you guys have not been following the channel, what are you guys waiting for? Subscribe. I give you guys the up-to-date news with GME, AMC, and all of the meme stocks, all of the crypto news, all of the weed stock news. I'm up on everything. I'm glued to the markets 24/7 right now. All right, so let me know right now in the chat how much GME you guys still have left. If no paper, I'm pretty sure there's no more paper hands in this, all right? All the paper hands, they already sold out at $50. They already sold out at $40. No more paper hands in this. Is all diamond hands. And I want to know how much shares you have at what price, because I'm assuming a lot of you guys are going to be breaking even really soon. The last time I asked you, there was a few guys in the chat that said they had over 1,000 shares at around $90 to $100. Those guys dropped $100,000 on GME, and they're finally up after 2 to 3 weeks of such crazy volatility. All right, so we're seeing 79 shares at $94. You're up in the green. I want to know how many of you guys are in the green right now. How many of you guys are still stranded at like $200, $300? 100 shares down to 53. Nice. Ooh, Jared is still stranded at 270. We're coming for you, buddy. We are coming for you, man. Well, somebody is. Somebody's coming for you. 12 shares at 108. Let's go. You're in the green. You are in the green. 69 shares at 43. Let's go. This guy's up even more than me. All right, let me give you guys a quick peek at the entire portfolio. So we're at $130,000 now. 130,000. We're up about 10% on the day. $11,000. You guys know I dropped about $20,000 yesterday. I told you guys exactly what I bought. I told you the 3 hottest stocks that I bought on the dip. If you guys are interested in everything that, if you guys want to get caught up to date with everything that I buy and sell, definitely go into the Patreon, join the Discord, and you guys get updated with that firsthand. Other than that, let's see. Everything else in the portfolio is not performing as good as GME. You can see GME's up 160% on the day. Just scrolling down here. We're good, man. We're good. Peloton's down. Tesla is up 6% as well. If you guys caught my video yesterday, you guys know that I bought 10 shares of Tesla, dude. I had to drop $7,000 for this. I had to drop $7,000. I had to go into the margin. But it's all good. Tesla was on sale yesterday. How high can GME go? If the squeeze is what is happening right now, obviously, the last time that it happened, which was about 1 month ago, we saw highs of 371. That does not seem right. Let's go on to another app here. Google. Dude, this is wrong, man. I thought the highs was 400, and yeah, the highs were 400 to 300. So that is what I'm predicting if this does squeeze like it did last time, that the stock, that GameStop will go back to 300 to 400. Like I said, no more paper hands are in this. Yeah, all right, yeah, exactly. I'm looking at here, I'm looking at this, and this is saying a different number, but I was pretty sure it was like 448, 450, around there. All right, thanks, guys, to clear that up. Oh, man, let me catch my breath because I'm like way too excited right now. We're finally back in the green after 2 to 3 weeks of people just trolling me every day that I go live. Let's go. We're back in the green. Everything's all good. I basically doubled up my position already. And we're fine, man. We're fine. Average cost is at $65. The price is at $120, $110. I'm good. I already took profits now, accidentally. I bought 100 shares on Friday. I took profits at $73, which is, it was a complete accident. I meant to do a sell limit. I meant to do a, what is it? A stop loss order. And I freaking did a limit order by accident. I sold at 73. So don't do what I did. I messed up, but it's all good. We're still in the green. I can show you that right here, guys. So I've been doing a lot of stop losses, been following this. You know that it's volatile, all right, guys? You know it's volatile. So I sold 100 shares at $73. So I made $7,300 back already. And if we look back just a few weeks ago, this is basically what I did. I almost doubled up on that position, which is completely all right. I will take that. I will take that. Don't be greedy, guys. Like last time, you know, I was way too greedy. I saw my entire portfolio shoot up to, look at this. It shot up to 175. All right. So I added to that 20,000. You have to take 20,000 out yesterday. So it went to like 150. So don't be greedy, guys. If you can take a little bit of profits, that's what I would do. I did that. So I'm not going to, no more jokes. If you guys are going to be diamond hands, paper hands, is whatever. All the paper hands are already gone. All right. All the paper hands are out of this already. We might have Brian Jung jump into the live stream today. So stay tuned if you guys want to meet Brian Jung. We got 1,400, 1,500 people in here. We are trying to figure out what is going on with GameStop. And GameStop is slowly climbing back down right now to 110. We saw highs of 120, which is completely all right to take some profits right now. I completely understand you guys. I completely understand you guys. All the paper hands already sold. No, they sold last week. All right, all the paper hands sold last week. Cannot believe it's been squeezed again. I would say this is like a mini squeeze. We don't even know if this is the complete squeeze yet. So we're going to wait for the short interest report to come out today. Oh, we got a dono. Let's go. What's up, Kane? Kane is saying, hey, you think about the Fed system crash an hour ago? I did not know the Fed system crashed about an hour ago. But let's jump into Wall Street Bets to see if these guys actually have anything going on. Because Wall Street Bets is going to be on a lot of stuff way before me. Let's see here. So we're at the hottest. All right.
Haven't checked the Reddit boards. Up now 38.5%.
It's starting again.
Never a dull moment for Gme.
I'm not sure I can take it again. Just maybe just for a day or two. Happy for it to happen, but don't let snowball.
What? I'm not sure I can take it again. Come on, get out of here, bruh. You know how many people are waiting for something to happen? We got 1,600 people smashing the like button waiting for this to happen. All right, so I'm going to try to find out what is going on. We got memes. We got Tesla. All right, so obviously there is nothing there. Let's jump into Twitter so I can show you guys that tweet from Ryan Cohen. If you guys don't know who Ryan Cohen is, He is basically the biggest shareholder of GME right now. All right, Ryan Cohen, he tweeted this cryptic, very cryptic message. What does this mean? What do you guys think this means? Ooh, we got some theories up in here. Bruce, this is not the squeeze. This was just a whale loading up before the report came out. Hold, boys, we will come back down. Squeeze won't be until we break the 200 mark. Let's go. That is some insight there. I think I am just getting very excited. That's it. I'm just getting very excited. Yes, the short interest report does seem what is most likely that is happening. Short interest report is coming out today. And supposedly, we are thinking that there is a hedge fund that is just trying to take advantage of the reports before it does happen. So we know, right? We already know what happened before. Thank you guys for becoming a member of the Patreon. Look at that. Thank you. What was I going to say? Melvin Capital, they lost $3 billion dollars. All right, the last time the squeeze did happen, and that was reported. All right, that was a fact. That did happen. And this can honestly be another situation where, in the next few days, we will find out exactly which hedge fund that has been shorting GME will be bankrupt or will have lost a decent amount of money. I think there's a lot of these hedge funds also closing out their positions. This could happen because for a hedge fund to close their short position, they would have to continue to buy back all their stocks. And, trading was halted 2 times in the last hour. Trading was halted 2 times in the last hour because there was an imbalance of buy and sell orders. All right. So everybody just wanted to buy and nobody wanted to sell. This is what we've been talking about for the last month, guys. All right. This is not brand new to anybody that's been following us. So welcome back to the GME train. Welcome back to the rocket. I would not buy at these levels, guys. I would not buy at these levels. Anybody that's already in it, you guys are good. Anybody that's coming back and trying to, FOMO into this again, you already know what happened the last time you FOMO'd into GME. You guys most likely lost your shorts. All right, so that is my thoughts on GME. Let's take a look at AMC. AMC has been, finally broken away a little bit from. AMC has broken away a little bit from GME. For the last month or so, it was basically identical. The graphs, the movements was completely identical. But today, I was on Brian Jung's live stream. He's finally in the green for AMC. So a lot of people that bought at $12, like $12 plus, you guys are definitely still wells away from breaking even. But anybody that bought the dips within the last week, if you got around $5, $6 here, you guys are almost doubled up. You guys have almost doubled up. So this is why, you have to pay attention to what is going on the markets. There's always going to be a shiny dangling object in front of you. All right. That's what, all of these distractions, like the weed stocks, the EV stocks, the CCIV. CCIV has been in the news for the last 5 days just because it just crashed recently as well. And, GME really did get pushed back. And I could honestly, and I would still cover GME over the last 2 weeks. And basically, a lot of my audience left. A lot of you guys left. And now a lot of you guys came back because you want to know what's going on. And I'm telling you what's going on. In the last week, GME has been hovering around $50 to $40. I picked up 100 plus shares around that time. And, a lot of you guys saw what I did. A lot of you guys also bought in. So congratulations for anybody that bought in during those big, big dips here. And we're just going to be riding it right now. The squeeze can happen when it reaches definitely a higher number, maybe the $200 range. But right now, we're thinking a whale basically came in, bought up a lot of shares. So let's look at the volume here. Volume is a good way to tell what is going on. So the average volume for this is AMC, guys. The average volume for AMC is roughly around 120, and the volume today is more than doubled, almost tripled, 300 million. I think AMC is just a lot easier to trade just because it's closer to the single digits here. Let me know what you guys think. How many of you guys are holding AMC? On the channel, I try not to talk about AMC that much, but I know a lot of you guys are holding. Pure character dancing under the rain and confetti taking his hat off to say, "You are amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you." I'm basically going to assume everybody that's donating right now has been making bank on their GME. Thank you guys for the donations. Was down 50 the past 2 weeks, but kept holding, now up 40. Let's go, baby. That's what we're here. That's why we're here. That's what we do. Oh, man, I'm way too excited. All right, let's calm down a little bit. I know I'm ranting, I'm raving right now, but that's because, like, if you guys know, I've been kind of down. Like, I've been emotionally drained for the last few weeks because, our investments were down, especially yesterday. I know a lot of people panic sold yesterday. You just have to be in real good control of your emotions. So I always try to stay level-headed. All right, so right now we're in the chat. What's up, chat? What do you guys think? What do you guys think is going on, man? Let me know how much you guys are up. I just want to know. And if you guys are still down, let me know too. I want to see exactly how much people that we need to save. How many astronauts are stranded on 200, 300, 400? This is why, all right? This is why over the last 2 weeks, we've been saying, a lot of people's been saying there's no reason to sell when you're down so much. Like, what is the point? The people who sold, right? The people who sold when GameStop came crashing back down, most likely put their money in wheat stocks. That crashed as well, took that out, put something in another hype stock and crashed as well. You just have to stay with companies that you like. Obviously, you do your own due diligence, you do your own research on it. And on top of that, GME is a recovery stock, all right? Ryan Cohen is working behind the scenes. He's firing people. He's hiring, guys from Amazon. He's hiring guys from Chewy. He knows what he's doing. And basically, he's also a little bit of a troll. Let's jump into the tweets. Let's see if anybody is in the threads here. Oh, let's go check out McDonald's stock. Let's see if McDonald's stock, if anything happened to McDonald's. I'm loving it. McDonald's stock is up 1% at the last half the day. Maybe this is because of Ryan Cohen. Maybe not. Is it a coincidence? Maybe it's a coincidence. I'm thankful that I held. All right. Yes. Diamond hands all the way. Diamond hands all the way. Check Elon Musk's Twitter. Let's go. Did Elon tweet something? Was it Elon the one that bought up? Was he the whale that bought up? Why does his not? Was Elon the one who bought up GME? No, it was Doge. Doge was up as well, man. Every single time, man. Every single time. So this is what we were talking about for the last month or so. Once GME starts pumping again, there's always these people trying to distract. Now a lot of the companies that we saw last week, what was it? AMC, BlackBerry, Nokia, Bed Bath & Beyond. These companies might start popping back up now. I'm pretty sure if I just ran through the entire list, you guys would see all of those stocks are pumping up as well. And why? Why are they pumping? They're pumping because GME is going up for whatever reason. And I'm assuming that is why. Ooh, we have Alex Soto. Damn, man, you really want to get roasted in the chats. He's buying puts on GME right now. Holding to infinity. I don't know if it's going to go to infinity. Yes. Also, if we're talking about Twitter, Conan O'Brien, this came out yesterday, but this is Conan O'Brien. Conan O'Brien. Conan. My bad, guys. I'm slow typer. All right, so he just tweeted 3 hours ago. At the end of Endgame, Captain America uses the Time Stone to make himself eligible for the vaccine. Get out of here, man. Okay, guys, I finally caved and bought the stock in GameStop. Wish me luck. Dude, if he bought yesterday, was this yesterday? If he bought yesterday, he's up. He's up. He 3x'd his investment if he bought yesterday. Guys, if you guys are brand new to the channel and you guys are as excited as I am, hit that subscribe button and let's go. Let's go on this ride to the moon. Drop a like for GME. It's finally cracked $123 in aftermarket hours. Like I said, guys, I do not really like to buy stock in the aftermarket hours because it's a lot more volatile. And it's climbing, man. It's climbing. Let's look at the volume. Volume is still at 47 million. 47 million. Basically doubled. Are we going to reach? Are we going to reach 130? Let's go. 130, baby. We're here. Who's doing this? Who's doing this? Who's buying this? Man, I missed out on $5,000. Unbelievable. I missed out on 5,000. Completely messed up there. Let's go, guys. We will be trying to figure out exactly what happens. We're gonna wait a little bit for the short interest report to come out, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna come out roughly at like 6 o'clock. But right now, we're just chatting around with everybody, trying to find out what everybody's position is. And where this is going. We want our tendies, baby. Everybody's been holding for way too long, and we finally are making some of our money back. Let's go. Is anybody buying calls? I would not buy calls at this time. Do not sell the G63, Bruce OG. The G63 is no, I'm not selling it. I'm planning to like ship that to another country. But that's time for another video. Man, this is completely going. It is just going. 130, 132. Why did this not? You know, this is what I expected to happen on Monday after Deep Value said that he doubled up on his position. This is exactly what I thought would happen on Monday. But for whatever reason, there was no volume on Monday, and GME just stuck at like 45 bucks. But here we are, guys. Here we are. Just give yourself a hand right now. You know, give yourself a pat on the back. Everybody's that's been diamond handing this. Let's go. Could this reach $140 per share? Just a few days ago, you could have bought this at $45, $44, $43. It is tripled the price as of right now. It has tripled the price. We have Cooper with a super chat. Thanks, man. Dude, I got 100 shares at 53, and I've just been singing the Tennies Man song the past week. Now I'm singing it like a gospel. Let's go, Cooper. Congratulations, man. You could almost triple your investments right now because we're about to hit 140, guys. Let's go. All right, so let's reset the room really quickly. 3,000 of you guys are in here. Welcome. Smash the like button. I want 1,000 likes by the end of the next 10 minutes. We can do that. And on top of that, this is just exploding, guys. It could hit 150 if it just keeps going like this. Someone's buying. One whale is just dropping, backing up the Brinks truck right now and just buying up GameStop. It's going parabolic right now. All right, so one at 3 o'clock, it was $52. 3 o'clock was about an hour and a half ago, an hour and 41 minutes ago. This is about to go parabolic, guys. I know a lot of you paper hands. All the paper hands are not here right now. All you guys are all diamond hands, because in the last few live streams, there's only been like 1,000 people every live stream, 1,000, 1,200, 1,300. And now we got 3,000 people coming back. Let's go. It's Madara saying it's Elon Musk, the one that's buying into GME right now. I highly doubt that. If it was him, that would be a complete surprise. I highly doubt that it's Elon Musk. Diamond hands, babies. Let's go. Is this the moment? If this, we're seeing a little pullback, a little bit. All right, so on the day, you can see that it's up 100%. And after hours is up another 60% right now. No idea. Over the last few days, there's been a lot of, like little small things that's been happening. Conan O'Brien tweeted that he was buying into GameStop, and we know, let's check out Conan O'Brien's net worth. All right. This is just estimated. Dude, this guy is a hard-working man. Look at that. If he put 1% of that into GME, which is, he could do it. Might be a little bit crazy for him to do that. Maybe he just bought 1 million of that 150, possible. But that would not move the markets like it is right now. So this is one catalyst. Very small, very unlikely. We got some people reaching out to me wanting to collab here from that. Conan tweet. Another catalyst possibly is this Ryan Cohen's tweet here. A McDonald's ice cream that looks like a rocket, possibly. With the fire coming on at the end could be doubtful, right? Very doubtful. I'm going to change this into top in the last hour. Some people are trying to pass out, man. Look at this. Let me know if you guys are in this with options. That would be interesting. AMC to $11. AMC is also popping off, guys. AMC is, was mirroring GME as far as I know. In the last 53 minutes, AMC's over about $11 right now. No idea what is going on. Somebody is just buying and no one is selling. That's what I'm assuming. If you guys cannot handle this, all right? If you guys cannot handle this, it is okay to take profits. Nobody's gonna get mad at you. I'm not gonna get mad at you. So in the next few days, all right, or in the next day, you're gonna see a lot of posts from people being up a lot again. Man, you gotta love GME. People that can handle volatility. Dude, I've seen some crazy portfolios where people are down 80 to 90%. Now it's creeping back up. Anybody that got in at 300, yes, you guys are probably still down, but right now we're looking for something. All right, we're looking for something. This cannot just be retailers buying in right now. This cannot be just retailers just buying in. We've crossed 150. We've crossed $150. Peaked at 160. I saw 160 for a quick second. 160. Oh my God. Are we going to crash back down now? Welcome to the live, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys are brand new. We'll be covering GME as we have been for the last 2 weeks. A lot of you guys got bored with GME news just because it wasn't doing anything. It just kept bleeding out. And that is when it's the best time to buy into a company. You buy into a company that when it's sleepy, when it's boring, when people are sick of it, that's the best time to get in. Buy them dips, and eventually, if you have a long-term outlook, eventually it will come back. Most of my portfolio gains are from companies just like this. So, real quick, let's take a look at Gap. Gap is one of those that just, for whatever reason, I'm up $11,000, $12,000 on this. I bought this in at $13, $14, 1,000 shares. That's what it is. Like Gap, people thought it was going to go bankrupt, and it didn't go bankrupt. I know, you know, oh my God, it's going parabolic, guys. If we can hit 200 by 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock when the market closes, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. Somebody is making a lot of money right now, and somebody is losing a lot of money right now. That's what I'm thinking. All right, so I'm pretty sure I missed some donos. I'm gonna go back here and try to throw this back on. Cone tweet Conan connection too thin. That is way too thin. You know, unless he dropped 150 million, which is his entire net worth, which is unlikely that he did that. I'm assuming he bought maybe $1 million worth at the most. His net worth is roughly 150 million from Google, and you know those are wrong. His net worth is probably like 3 times that. All right, we're going back all the way to the dono, so thank you guys for the donations. Bruce, I have a high call options. What would you do? So personally, you know, I looked at the call options because I kind of wanted to get in on it as well, but you know, looking on this, is it really worth it? You can't buy it right now because the markets are closed, but dang, look at this, man. The option chain is all the way up to 800. And if you, let's say you want to go a month out, it costs $1,800 for this call option. You know, if we do moon, we moon, but it's very, I have no predictions for this. Dude, we're at 175, man. I'm out officially. I lost $10,000, guys. I sold by accident. Oh my God. By accident. I meant to do a stop loss, and it did not do it. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Supposedly Reddit is down right now. Nope. What are you guys thinking right now? What are you guys thinking? Should you sell? Should you buy? I'm just watching. I'm just watching with enjoyment right now. Robinhood UI is trash. I have to say, Michael Lee? Is this the Michael Lee from Boston? Is that you? I remember Michael Lee. All right, let's go back. I know this is the main attraction right now. We're at 180. When will this stop, guys? We have 11 minutes to go before the market closes. How high do you think it will go today? If this cracks 200, which it really looks like it will crack 200, maybe some people should sell right now at 200. My total return here is $12,000. My God. What is your sell limit, guys? What is your sell limit? What are you thinking right now? Previously, for the last squeeze, I thought the sell limit would be around 1,000. It only reached at 500 at the most. Maybe 500 is a good sell limit for me right now. Everybody's saying hold the line. Oh, man. You know how much sleep I've lost because of GME? Do you guys know how much sleep I've lost? I know a couple of whales putting in put orders after all the diamond hands people sell. They're counting on greed. Look, guys, there's many ways to make money off of GME right now. And, you know, selling some puss isn't a bad idea. Let's say you sold a put at $200. You're in the money. I don't know, man. I don't know. After all the blood that I've seen, all the red days I've seen with like, you know, on Reddit and everything, on Wall Street Bets. Joran, have you been here for a while, man? Is it? Man, we got people up $5,000. Matt is asking, is the market closed? The market will close in 9 minutes. I'm going to stay up on this until, oh my God, dude. We're going parabolic. If this hits $200, we're going to the moon, guys. Yo, let's go. It touched $200. It touched $200. It touched $200. Dude, we're up $100 in aftermarket. Who is buying? Who is buying right now? Guys, scour the internet and find out what exactly is going on. This is insane. This is insane. Drop a like if you guys have finally made money off of GME. All the astronauts that's been stranded at 200. We came back for you. We came back for you, all right? I told you we wouldn't sell at 50, 40. We came back for you. I kept my word, man. Ouch. Austin Huffman is buying at 200. Ouch. We're seeing a bit of a correction, guys, now. Dropping. It's dropping. It's dropping. It was a fun ride. It was a fun ride. Dude, I'm so close to selling. I'm so close to selling. It's dropping. I'm not selling, guys. I'm just messing with you. Dude, this could just be a taste of what will be happening on the next few days. Today's Wednesday, February 24th. It is almost 5 p.m. 5 p.m. is when the market will be closing, so no more trading for us in the U.S. My phone is blowing up. Man, I got friends that's holding like thousands of shares, and I'm pretty sure they're really excited. I know you guys are finally in the green. Most of you guys are finally in the green. Anybody that's been following me for the last 2 weeks, most likely you guys are in the green because I've been buying for the last 2 weeks. We got some people that would sell at 550. I would sell, honestly, all right? Even though like I go hard with the diamond hands, I would sell at 500 or roughly around that range, that price range. Ooh, we got a top shot drop. I'm gonna get in on this real quick. For anybody that has a Top Shot account, Top Shot, go try to get a booster pack right now. It's basically free money almost if you can afford it. Join the drop. Join it right now, guys, and prove that you're not a robot. And try to get a pack. There's 5 minutes left, all right? So, for anybody that hasn't been following, I got caught up in this for a while because of Brian Jung and Sebi and Humphrey. Go into Top Shop, that link I just sent you, and get in line for this and let me know if you guys can get it. This will be released at 2 p.m. Pacific time, so we got a few more minutes here. 4 minutes and 57 seconds until this drops. So try to go get one of those as well. That's basically free money for $9 for that. All right. Congratulations, everybody. All you bag holders, everybody that's been making fun of you, GME holders, for the last 2 weeks, you can finally have the last laugh. We're sitting at $186, $187. You know, I'm grateful that the price came back. I expect to see a lot of volatility still. Would I be buying at these price levels? 100% no, I would not be. Did I expect this to happen? No, I did not expect this to happen. I'm going to be continuing my research after this live stream to see exactly what's going on. But I expect that we will find out which whale bought into GME right now. They must have just dropped and backed the Brinks truck up on this. I will find out exactly how much volume there is. But let's just see what it's going to close at today. So since it stopped moving, I'm assuming it's going to close roughly around 180, maybe 170. It looks like it's trending back down on the day. But congratulations, guys. For all you bag holders, patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. Hold the line, hold the line. We got a dono coming in. It's too late, I would say, guys. Anybody that's trying to jump in right now, you guys are already too late. Honestly, you guys obviously can do exactly what you want to do. It's too late. If you've been following the channel, you guys, I dropped value. I dropped these tendies on you, these chicken nuggets on you, and it's just time to reap the benefits. Jump into the Discord. I got a lot of bulls in there, bullish people on these meme stocks, and we do some due diligence in there. I give you guys exactly what I invest in there as well. So we're sitting at 186, 187 for GameStop. It looks like it got halted. It looked like it got halted a bit. It's not moving anymore. 2 minutes and 34 seconds for the drop. The Top Shop drop. If you guys look, all right, NFTs. I'm going to explain this really quickly. This is Top Shop's NFT non-fungible tokens. It's basically like a trading card, trading memory on the blockchain for the NBA. Some of these cards could go up to like hundreds of thousands of dollars. So if you can get a rare card, that is what it's worth. The minimum, all right? These packs, they come with 3 memories. The minimum the cost of a card is $20. Just letting you know, it's almost, the value for this is crazy high if you can get in the top 5,000. If you're in the top 5,000, most likely you'll be able to purchase a pack. If not, it is what it is. We got a dono from Patrick. What's up, Patrick? Top Shot transactions are disabled due to maintenance. That is interesting because I just got in. There's 1 minute and 20 seconds left. So, the markets are going to close at that time. I'm going to figure out exactly what pack I'm at that time as well. So let's go, man. A lot is happening right now. And thank you guys for joining us. Craziness, craziness, craziness. Man, I'm loving today. Refresh. My bad, guys. Ooh, not looking good, guys. It's a beautiful day still for anybody that got in at 40, 50 bucks. Anybody that's been holding for, like I said earlier, it's okay to take profits. No shame in taking profits. If you guys been holding at 150, 160 for all this time, it's all right to take a little bit of profits to sell 10 shares. Wait for it to drop back down, buy back in. Like, that's something exactly what I would do. If it drops back to 70 bucks, I would buy back in. It could drop to $70 again, honestly. I think tomorrow is going to be an even crazier day, guys. Tomorrow is going to be an even crazier day. Stay tuned. I didn't think I would be making so much. I did not want to go live today, actually, but you guys, I had to go live for this. Message, last update. Hello, fam. We are welcome to the waiting room. When you start your queue, you'll be randomly assigned a spot. It may take 1 to 2 minutes. All right, guys. Hopefully, you guys are in this as well. The day has ended, right? So we're sitting at it's 5 p.m. now, or it's almost 5 p.m. Probably a few more seconds here. Let's go. What's going to happen with GME? Where is it going to stop? Before you guys leave, drop a like. Let me know what spot you guys are in line here for the Top Shop as well. Craziness, man, craziness. I feel sorry for all the paper handers that sold, at a loss. It is what it is. Timothy got 1,000 shares at about $4.15. So I'm still holding, LOL. If it drops around $20, then I will sell. Let us know. Let us know if it's AMC or it's GME, man. I'm an idiot and bought so late, LMAO. Guys, that's why I tell you guys to subscribe, follow the channel. I let you guys know exactly when I do my buys and sells. So you guys have at least a gauge of like what a experienced investor would do. And I give you guys my reasons why I'm selling, why I'm buying, and all that as well. Paper hands. Paper hands are selling right now. It's dropping and dropping hard, dude. It's been a long time since GME. Ooh, we got GME has the highest short interest right now. Let's we could take a look at that. All right, I have 28,000 people ahead in line of me. So most likely I'm not going to be getting a card. Let me know what where you guys are in line. If you guys are in the top 5,000, most likely you'll get a card. I am 28,000. So very, very low chance of me getting in line. I'm going to be looking at the short interest here. Let's do a quick refresh. GME is basically sitting at 148. 148, guys. Let's look at short interest for GME. What am I doing? This is not even live. What am I, what is this, man? What is this? GME. Look at this chart. All right, look at this chart. The peak of GME was sitting at 480. We're all the way here at 90. It doesn't count aftermarket hours. What is going on here? Short float sitting at 40%. This is going to be updated later today. I'm pretty sure this is not the updated version. If you guys, you guys can't even see that. My bad. If you guys have that website for the latest, I completely forgot what website that was. Buy the dips, man. That is very experienced investors can do that. AMC is sitting roughly around $10. Congratulations to you guys. Anybody that's holding AMC as well. You guys have finally, hopefully you guys didn't buy at 12, right? Or at $19. Let's go, guys. I think for the rest of the week is going to be pretty crazy. All right, my portfolio is basically at 135,000. Let's go, man. What a day, what a day. All right, so let's reset the room. We have almost 5,000 people in here. Drop a like if you guys haven't already. I'm Bruce Wang, and I basically cover GME all the time for the last 2 weeks. On top of that, I've been covering cryptocurrency. I've been covering wheat stocks, EV stocks, and basically I give you guys my insight onto what is happening with those companies and if it's a good buy or not. And I'm invested in a lot of different companies as well. My portfolio is this portfolio on Robinhood is sitting at $133,000. I have, basically $100,000 in a few other portfolios as well. So I'm not a small fry, to say the least. Like, yeah, my accounts are pretty small still compared to, multimillionaires, but I'm not a tiny fish anymore. I would say I'm like a medium-sized fish. The Discord channel, all the links will be in the description. Jump in the links in the description if you guys want to know. All right, guys. We are basically, the end of the day is here. And guys, tomorrow, I'll be live early in the morning. This is not investing, guys. Well, honestly, it would be considered investing if you bought in 2 weeks ago or a week ago. Right now, you would be gambling if you bought into this. This is not financial advice. This is just pure entertainment right now. I would not be buying into this. This is a casino. Yes, this is very, very casino-like. What? Is this? It is recovering right here at 150? Maybe. Check Robinhood Twitter. Guys, thank you for updating me with all of this. Robinhood Twitter. This could be a time where Robinhood is able to, fix whatever they did. Is this the Robinhood Twitter, man? This is their account. Robinhood CEO, congressional hearing. I don't see anything, brother. Send me the link. My dad bought AMC at like $2 a share in like July, just holding long term until pandemic ends. He didn't expect this to happen. I'm sure a lot of people, as smart as your dad, did the same thing, but it's just whatever reason, everyone thinks a short squeeze is going to happen. Someone told me to check Robinhood Twitter, but nothing is going on Robinhood Twitter, man. Maybe Robinhood Snacks? Nothing is going on Robinhood Twitter. We can look at GME on Twitter. Let's see what's going on here. Reddit is down for many as GME goes up. Very interesting. Robinhood was down. My Robinhood was okay. Reddit coming back for GME and AMC. Let's go. Let's jump into the GME thread. And let's refresh this. Where is the thread for GME, man? I can't find it. Someone must have an answer. Someone must have an answer. GME mega thread. Let's go. And I'm going to just put it on the best. Let's see if we can find something. 6 hours ago, 7 hours ago. Nope. Top. All right, imagine if a company went up 5% because you got fired. LMAO. So yesterday, the CFO got fired, basically. And, in the reports, they say that he did resign, but we know what it means, man. He got fired. Holding till 100K. How many people are still holding? How many people are trying to sell here? It would not be a bad idea to take some profits if you guys been holding and if you guys been red for a long time. I know taking profits for me was almost therapeutic. You guys can see my average cost is sitting at $65. If man, we saw $200 on this, man. If it can close about $200, we would definitely be on a crazy squeeze here. I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm completely exhausted right now. Use all my energy for this stream. That's perfect way to say can't stop, GameStop, can't stop, won't stop. If you guys did the top shot and if you guys are in line, let me know what if you guys are able to pick up a pack. My average cost is at $340. Should I hold? Damn, man, that is rough. You're stranded at 340, man. We're coming for you. We're coming for you. I don't know if you should hold, but we're gonna try to come for you. When to sell GME? That is a perfect question. I would. Yo, Bruce, is there an explanation for why this is randomly went up? So basically, the theory so far is that the theory of why GME has skyrocketed today. For anybody that's brand new in here, the theory is basically short interest report is going to come out today, and a lot of us are suspecting that there's a hedge fund, a whale, that is buying up these shares and they smell blood in the water. They smell something fishy is going on, and they're buying up the shares, trying to, get as many as they can. So the short sellers can panic. They have to buy back at higher prices. Another reason is the short sellers are covering their positions. There is so much volume in today's move. Let's look up the volume. GameStop volume chart. Can you guys see that? I need to minimize my face. Here we go. So this is Yahoo Finance. I'll drop this in the chat for you guys. Let's look at the volume. The volume will explain us a lot of what is going on. Normally, the volume for GME over the last few months is only let's see, historical data. This is the first time I'm in here. I'm typically not on Yahoo Finance. It is overvalued at the moment at $40. It was a pretty good. Average volume over the past month or so has been 35 million. Volume today was 41. That does not sound right. Charts are looking juicy though. I would not be buying in at these price levels. I learned my lesson from chasing the last few times. I don't chase stocks anymore. If I can buy it in at dips, I buy them in at the dips. But right now, we're good. I'm sitting pretty. I'm up 8K. Just a day ago, just 2 days ago, I was down $4,000. How? The tides have turned. We're coming for you guys stranded at $200, $300. Check Dave Portnoy's Twitter. Vlad tweeted Robinhood will be performing maintenance tomorrow. Some stocks will be limited to buy. No way. No way he is doing that. No way he is doing that. I was on the live stream that he had with Dave Portnoy and Vlad yesterday, but I did not see him say anything about that. Welcome to the live stream, guys. 6,000 of you guys are in here. Drop a like for the YouTube algorithm and stay tuned here. We're trying to figure out exactly what's going on. Dave Portnoy, Paper Hand Portnoy, that's his name. He sold at the absolute bottom. Not absolute bottom, but he sold out when he lost like $1 million in Nokia and AMC. So that's why he's named Paper Hand Portnoy. And he's known for a lot of other stuff, but I can't say that because I don't want to get demonetized. This is like watching everybody go nuts at a crap table while you sit there with in your hands. I've never had more FOMO in my life. Don't do it, bro. Dave Portnoy is trying to buy back in. What? You didn't learn from the first time? So this is fake Vlad Tevnov, big whoop, whatever. Stop messing with me. I'm on tilt and have FOMO. So a lot of you guys will be having FOMO. I get it, all right? So let me explain what FOMO is for anybody that is feeling it right now, because definitely I would feel FOMO if I was not in this or, if I missed out already. It's okay to have FOMO. Would I buy back in here? Look, if any of you guys bought at 183 because you felt FOMO, you would be down $50 on every single share right now. Don't buy in at these price levels. This is way too crazy. The best time to get in was in the last week. All right. I've been buying in the last week. I've been telling you guys like, hey, I'm buying 100 shares here. I'm buying 10 shares here. Like, I think it's, a good time to get in. Obviously, I cannot tell you guys what to do. I tell you guys what I'm doing. And it's dropping even further now, coming back to earth. If it drops back to, let's say, $60 range, I would buy back in. If it drops lower than my average cost, I would buy back in about 100 shares. Man, you guys are crashing my comment section right now. I can't even read anything. All right. Interesting. Let's, so if you guys are kind of new, oh man, look at this. This is, if you guys are feeling what he's feeling, is perfectly fine. All right. I would not risk going in right now. So let me recap in 30 seconds what happened in the last month for anybody that's brand new and kind of seeing GME for the first time. GME has basically been on my mind for the past month. A short squeeze was supposed to happen, and because Robinhood and a lot of other brokerages halted trading on, I would say it was this day, on January 28th or January 29th, it crashed the stock, all right? Short sellers shorted this over 100%, and some Redditor called Deep Value on Reddit, the subreddit's Wall Street Bets, he found out, and he started buying shares last year, and he started telling everybody, hey man, it might be a good time, it's a good value. So a lot of other people start buying shares roughly around this price, and the short squeeze happened. I would say this is the first short squeeze. GameStop shot all the way up to $300, $400, $500 almost, and it got stopped by a lot of the brokerages for capitalization. They weren't well capitalized, and that basically crashed GME all the way down to $40, $50. This is when I started to buy back in. I'm like, I bought back in as a long-term play. I was thinking Ryan Cohen is going to turn the company around, and look where we are here. This could be another short squeeze, possible, but most likely it's a hedge fund, a big whale came into this and is buying up a lot of shares. There's not much volume, guys. There's not much volume. The average volume is sitting at 20 million every single day, and today is sitting at almost triple. It's over triple the amount of volume that's normally out there. So what does that mean? That means some whale has bought basically 400 million, like millions and millions of shares. Millions and millions of shares. Somebody spotted something that, this is an institutional buyer. Most likely retail buyers don't have this type of power. All right. So most likely an institutional buyer came in, he's doing something funny. He sees something, he smells blood in the water, and he's trying to, capitalize on that. This does look like a little pump and dump, but who knows what's in store for tomorrow. Hopefully that is, that did take like a minute, but that is exactly. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I never do. Elon Musk bought it for the memes. It's doubtful. Chamath, he bought in. He bought call options on this a few weeks back. And if you guys are trying to, if you guys don't believe that Robinhood is going to do the right thing, again, you guys can, links in the description for Webull. Webull is a great place. I've been using Webull ever since Robinhood crashed us. So you guys can use Webull and, get 2 free shares there if you guys are trying to get on this. But I would not be buying in at these levels. It's too crazy. It's way too crazy. The Cash App just added GME today. I'm in the chat right now, guys, reading what you guys are saying. A lot of people are starting to pop in. Welcome to the live stream. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to, stay up to date with exactly what GME is doing. I've been covering GME extensively for the past month, and I've been getting, dude, to be honest, I've been getting sick of GME because it's been way too sleepy over the last 2 weeks. But, I've been patient. I've been holding diamond hands, and we're back. We're back here. So some catalyst that I'm expecting. You guys are crashing this chat right now. I can't even read anything. So one catalyst that I believe pushed. This is something that I expected to happen on Monday, actually. So Deep Value, he doubled down on his position. He dropped $2 million into GameStop on Friday. And that is exactly when I bought 100 shares of GameStop myself. So I got in at around $43. So that's why I thought Monday was going to be the day that this happened. But hey, man, patience is a key. GameStop is a turnaround play. Regardless, if you guys are just in this for the short term, I'm in this for the long term. I'm going to be doing covered calls on this. I'm going to be doing, cash covered puts on this. I'm in this for the long term. And yes, right now GameStop is overvalued. I wouldn't be buying GameStop at this price level. So hopefully that answers anybody that's has that question. Let's see. Thank you guys for the dono. My cost basis is $217. If you were me, what would you do? What'd you be doing? Bro, we're coming for you, man. I know you're stranded there at 217. We're coming for you, dude. If GME could hold this level at 200, which it did touch, that's going to be the new resistance level. If it can crack 200 again, dude, we're going to be going to the moon. The squeeze is on. This is just a taste of what is about to happen. Hopefully. Dude, I have to stop drinking this Monster. I'm going crazy. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. Jonathan's asking, Fisker just partnered with Apple supplier Foxconn after hours today and maybe potentially candidate to build the Apple car. Thoughts? Apple, they are a long-term hold for me. I own, thousands of dollars worth of Apple. I wish I owned more, but I've been caught up with some other growth companies. The Apple car is 5 years away from being, maybe 5 to 10 years. All right. I don't think it's going to be a big factor in Apple for a long time, but I'm bullish on Apple in the short term. So if you are into this EV plays, I'm in Tesla. Tesla is still the king of EVs. As long as you're, dollar cost average into it, I think it should be fine. Can you please talk about HCMC? Love your channel. My wife and I are big fans. She doesn't know I'm writing this. Say hi to Lisa. Hi, Lisa. Welcome. Thank you for watching. HCMC. This has popped up a lot over, is that right? HCMC. It is not on Robinhood. Penny stocks, baby. Let's go. Penny stocks. I hate penny stocks, guys. Just to let you guys know. I don't have any thoughts on this. I would not buy this. I don't like the stock. If you talk about GME, I like the stock. If you talk about that, I don't like the stock. I'm sorry to say I would not, and I would not touch that with a 10-foot pole. We got another dono coming in. Thank you guys for the donos. What are your questions with GME specifically? All right. I can tell you what's been happening, but I cannot predict what will happen. So we got Ancient Man. Dude, check APD. You might like the market cap. I like the stocks that have at least, at minimum, over $1 billion market cap. I can't stand companies worth like $100 million. It's just too risky for me. What's your thoughts on CCIV and Lucid? No thoughts. I would say it's overvalued because Lucid hasn't even come out with a vehicle on the road yet. They're 4 years away from debuting their car. They haven't sold any cars yet, I believe. Maybe they have for deposits. I'd rather invest in Tesla. So, we did. So let's reset the room here. We have 6,000 people joining in on us, trying to figure out what is happening with GameStop. And if you guys haven't already, smash the like button. This is the first time in a while that I've been getting so many people jumping onto the lives. If you guys want some free stocks, check out Webull. Webull, you can get 2 free stocks. Links, I think it should be linked up there for you guys, for your convenience. Yes, it is linked up there. If you guys want to join my Discord, links are going to be in the descriptions as well. That's where I go in deep with a lot of the gang in the Discord. They love talking about GME. We've been talking about GME in the Discords for the last week. Thoughts on CGC? Is weed stock good stock right now? Definitely the Weed Gang. We went over Weed Gang for about a week. Canopy Growth is actually one of the better companies. Canopy Growth, Tilray, and ACB, I believe. So, this has a fair value of $40. Canopy Growth is sitting at $35. There you go. That's a $5 margin. But thank you for the dono. Let's go back into GameStop and see what is going on with GameStop. Good question here. What would be a good buy in for GME? A great buy for GME, I would say, is if you got in at below $50. Other than that, I would not buy at these levels. Let's go. I talk about AMC and its potential squeeze. AMC, I don't know much about AMC other than it's been doing exactly the same as GME. Let's take a look at AMC brothers. The AMC bros sitting at $10. Saw a high of $11.24. I would have sold AMC a long time ago. I would have sold AMC a long time ago, guys. I'm not a diamond hand for AMC. All right, so as the GME train halts and slows down, so does my portfolio. Portfolio peaked at 137,000 today. Now we're sitting at 132,000. So for anybody that is wondering what I'm holding, here we go. We can do a quick recap of my portfolio for anybody that is brand new that did not see yet. This is my portfolio, and I'm like in $20,000 in margin here. So this is just not all cash right now. All right. GME is one of the best positions that I have right now just because of its insane volatility. Doge is pumping, possibly. All right, so do not FOMO into this, guys. Do not FOMO into this. The last time people FOMO'd into this, they lost a lot of money. Buying high and selling low is not a good option to do, guys. Buying high, selling low. If that is your plan in the stock market, you're going to get completely crushed. Let's go. This is what I'm feeling like right now. Let's go. I'm vibing with this. We got a lot of people getting distracted right now, talking about Doge, talking about all these other meme stocks. If you guys been rocking with me for the last 2 weeks, you guys know we hold, we buy them dips. All right, I'm trying to see if man, we vibing, dude. We vibing. We vibing, man. We vibing. This is hilarious. What are you guys' thoughts, man? Are you guys loving this? I do it for the culture, man. I do it for the memes. That's why I did not sell. That's why I still hold most of my positions. I went to Costco and FOMO'd on Monster. Lols. What would you start? Let's go. I'm going to finish this. I didn't buy. I buy mine off of Amazon. I get it just delivered. I just get mine delivered to me, baby. So, guys, I have finally started to set up my live stream at home. All right, so we will be going live in the mornings, hopefully, at home. Hedge funds, when they see GME and AMC going up again. Let's go. Come on, dude. Dude, what hedge fund is gonna go bankrupt this time? That's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm looking for. It's happening, guys. It's happening. Could we go back to 500? Honestly, I doubt that we'll go back to 500, but stranger things have happened. So it looks like we're going to be sitting at around 150. Guys, if anybody has that information about the short interest, let me know. The last time I looked up GameStop short interest, I popped up on the Google search and I did not even know what the short interest was. Can I find myself here again? Yep, see? GameStop short interest, and that's me. Predictions on tomorrow. I believe predictions for GME tomorrow is going to be crazy volatile. That's what I believe. It's already, guys, it's already too late. If you want to jump in on this, I think if you want to jump in on this, you're going to get wrecked. Honestly, if you jump in on this at these price levels, you're going to get wrecked. Very similar to the people who bought in at $4, $3, $2, $200. You will get wrecked. Will I ever sell? Yes, eventually. Eventually. I've already took profits on this, so I'm up. I'm up now. My average cost is 65. You know, I've been doing covered calls. I haven't sold any puts on this. I sold covered calls. I made a few thousand there. I was buying at 10 shares, selling 10 shares at a time, up and down, up and down. I'm good, man. I'm good. I've been making some profits, you know, with the volatility. I tell you guys, every single video, I tell you guys my updates. So if you guys subscribe and you guys will find those updates, you guys will know exactly what is going on. Yo, can I get you to say what's up to all my Haitians? My Haitians, sock passe. Sock passe. No doubt, man. Haitian people, you know, we got the one of the most hardworking people, man. Please bring up APD and let me know your thoughts. I have no thoughts on APD, brother. I know you've been donating air products, chemicals. I think I almost invested in APD in my M1 Finance portfolio back in the days. I might have, maybe. I was thinking about it. APD, look, this company is good. It's good. It's set, man. You know, it's down 6% it's down 5% on the month. It's a sleepy company. I would just dollar cost average into this. You know, this company's not going anywhere anytime soon. Industrial sector, you're good, man. You're good with this. Fair value sitting at 297 from Morningstar, and price is sitting at 263. You know, that's a margin of what, $20? Do some more research on it. It does look to be fair valued right now. Fair value. So you won't be getting the best deal, but you'll be getting a fair value deal just from the analyst standpoint. What is up, my guys? GameStop fair value. Let me show you guys the fair value for GameStop. Finbox, baby. Here's a link for Finbox if you guys are wondering what I'm using. So we'll be going into GME on Finbox, and I'm going to give you guys some more analysis on this. This is why I was so bullish, and this is why I was buying GameStop under $47. I mean, yeah, I was buying GameStop at like 43, 44, just throwing thousands of dollars into this, just wishing it would just come back up. And today we did. We sold and took some profits here. Fair value would be roughly around $47. If you got in at 47, 45, you know, it's okay to take profits right now. Market cap sitting at $3 billion. I'm not lying, brother. Will AMC go to 120? Guys, I don't know, man. From, you know, history likes to repeat itself, right? That's what I always think. And if we look at the last month, this is what happened last month, okay? GameStop jumped to about 400, almost 500. I think that is going to be where it goes again, unless the squeeze does really happen. So we've been going live now for an hour and 20 minutes. What is up, guys? If you guys have any questions, drop them in right now. I'll be taking questions for the next 6 minutes, and we'll be talking about GameStop and predictions. Let's go. I did $25K a YOLO on Workhorse at $13.78. Thoughts? $25K, bro. You have $25,000 to YOLO on Workhorse. Why are you asking me for thoughts, man? You $25K on one investment at one time? Let's see. Your average cost is at $13.78. You're up, man. You're up. You're good. Workhorse is going to be around for a while, bro. Just keep holding it. Ooh, market cap only $2 billion. Obviously, you know, this is the first time I'm looking into it. I have to do a little bit more research. Workhorse is a company that's, you know, has been around since 2007. Honestly, I have to do more research before I can give you a better answer than this. But it you know, in the last 3 months, it's down 49%. I think, Yeah, so support level is roughly around this support of $15. Yeesh. Kind of trying to catch a falling knife here, right? I would just hold that for the long term. I can't say. Oh, we're seeing a steady uptick right now at lows of 137. I can't wait for tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is going to be nuts. Tomorrow is going to be nuts. Roaring Kitty Twitter now. Look at this. I love it when you guys update me this in real time. In real time. Roaring Kitty, he always does these cryptic messages, so I'm thinking it's going to be another meme. Let's go. Another meme. Another meme, another dollar. No sleep tonight, baby. Let's just chill out right now. You know, just reflect on the pain of the last 3 weeks. Anybody that's still, holding, averaging down was the best thing to do. If, in hindsight, averaging down, continuing to just buy back in, probably 10 shares. And, we're rewriting it back up now. We're going back to the moon. CCIV climbing back upwards. Nuts. This is absolutely nuts, man. Right now, I'm just vibing. I know a lot of you guys are here trying to figure out exactly what's going on. Tomorrow morning or within the next few days, we will be able to discover what actually happened today, because there's a whale or maybe a handful of hedge funds buying into GME right now. We just don't know which one. The volume, that's what it's telling us when we look at the volume. Some theories out there right now is that some hedge funds and some whales, they're buying in because they suspect that the short interest is going to be a lot higher. And another theory is just that hedge funds are closing out their positions. That is a completely plausible theory as well. I am new at Bruce Wang. Why GME rise up today? I am new. Thank you. Definitely, if you're new, I'm expecting a lot of you guys are new, because typically the people on my live stream I hit at minimum 1,500, and right now there's 6,000 of you out here watching me. Drop a like. Congratulations for everybody that's been holding. For anybody that's new and wondering why GME is popping today, honestly, there's a few reasons why. Whales are buying in. That's what volume is dictating. Second reason, possibly short sellers are covering their positions. Third, short interest reports coming out today, updating us with the new short interest. I'm assuming it's going to come out. The last time I did the video about that, it came out at like 7 o'clock, I think. I'm not going to be streaming that late today, so I'll be updating you guys with the short interest tomorrow. And guys, we're back in business. How exciting is this? We took like a 2-3 week hiatus, and we're back in business. Let's go. If you're stuck at 200, if you're stuck at 300, 400, we're coming for you. We're trying to save you guys. AMC is not going to $700. No, I don't think so. So some crazy facts today. Trading was halted 2 times today, all right? Trading was halted at $90, and I think it was traded at like 120, because the balance of the buy and sell orders was it was unbalanced. There was too many buys and not enough sells, so they had to halt trading. My goodness, guys. My goodness. Hopefully, yes, the first halt or the second halt took a long time. I wanted to buy back in. I was almost about to double down. I should have doubled down, honestly, but who knows where this goes, man. Should have doubled down on that in hindsight. All right, so I'm not gonna go deep into the diamond hands, but I know a lot of you guys that's been holding. So if you're way into the green right now and you plan on taking profits, I think it would be a good idea to just take some profits. I took profits. I'm good. I profited a decent amount, a few $1,000s already. And I don't want anybody to, miss out on taking profits. Yes, we could be going to the moon. It seems like there's a lot of life in GME right now. If Robinhood closes down tomorrow for updating systems and stocks are restricted again, I highly doubt that's going to happen. But if it does happen, I would be pretty upset. I'd be pretty upset, especially if GME was targeted again. Can we FOMO GME? Never FOMO. Please, never FOMO. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late to get in. The people that's been following me for the last 2 weeks, they got in already, and they looking good, dude. They looking good. Michael Lee making more money in a month than 2 years. My God, what are you doing? Are you OnlyFans right now? You doing an OnlyFans account? All right, so guys, if you have any more urgent news, please drop it into the chat so I can analyze it, because we broke 1 hour and 30 minutes now. And we just vibe into Roaring Kitty. Let's see who added him here. Look at today's volume, dude. Over 60 million. So if you guys don't know who Roaring Kitty is, he's basically the guy who started this GME craze on the Wall Street subreddit. And this is what he looks like. His name's Keith Gill. There was a hearing for him last week. Epic hearing. It was like a 5-hour hearing. I covered the whole thing. It was one of the most funniest live streams I've ever had in my entire life. So one last thing. I kind of want to know if Paperhand Portnoy got back in. What do you guys think? Did he FOMO back in? I don't think so, Jim. They hit on 20 because they knew Ace was next. Jim Cramer. No, it is more like someone hitting with 2 kings and pulling an ace with a Jack Daniels in his hands. I wonder what Jim Cramer is saying right now. As predicted, Nvidia would erase his gains during his call. Nope. AMC, Adam, reload. People reloading on AMC. Whoa. Okay, GameStop has another chance to sell equity, but it won't do so. And we have to deal with this again. This is so Wild West. The SEC must be having a fit. Not the one on CBS, the one in the Washington. We are back in business, guys. We are back in business. Things are looking good. We opened up today at I think it was like $44.87, and we're gonna be closing over $100. That's all I wanted. I wanted to close over $100 on Monday. We're closing over $100 today, and if history likes to repeat itself, we could see new highs again. New highs again for this stock. But look, guys, this is going to be a gamble if you jump in on this right now. It is going to be a gamble. You can lose your shorts. Many people have lost hundreds of thousands of dollars on GME, all right? A lot of people that bought GME at $500 thought it was going to $600. A lot of people that bought at $300 thought it was going to go to $400. They lost a lot of money, and they paper-handed and sold. I don't know. Get out while you still have the opportunity. I'm seeing someone tweet that, chat that out. Like I'm saying, it's okay to take profits now for all you paper handers. Anybody else that's jumping in right now that's FOMOing. It is what it is. That's just the psychology of everybody. Whenever they see a stock like this run up, they think they can make a quick buck. They jump in. It's tough, man. It's tough. You don't lose unless you sell. But profits are profits, man. Profits are profits. Did I see guys, I'm speechless right now. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. We got another super chat coming in. Welcome to the game, guys. Welcome to the GME game. I know you guys are thinking about buying back in right now. Anybody that's brand new trying to buy back in, like, dude, highs and lows. You're asking me to predict the future. All right, this is what I'm expecting and what I would do personally. If GameStop drops back below $70, I would buy back in. If GameStop goes below my average, this is me personally, right? My average cost is 65. If it goes roughly around 65 or lower, I would buy back in. Can it happen? Yes, it could possibly happen. If it goes over 200 tomorrow, you know, we saw a 200 peak for a while here. Would I come back in? No, I would not buy at 200. I might actually, would I take profits at 200? I would take profits at 250. I would take profits at 250 tomorrow, maybe 300. 100% I would take profits at $300 tomorrow. 250, maybe I would sell a few shares. That's my plan. If those price targets happen, all right? Moody is saying, look at the Google Trends on GME. It's a good sign to look at. So what I expect to happen as well, all right, guys? Mainstream media is going to pick this back up again, all right? Today, mainstream media did not pick this up when it happened. It's too fast. It's too fast for them to go in on this because they don't know what's going on either, all right? We are analyzing this as it happens. We're going through a few theories that we as a community that we have. So it is what it is. Once the mainstream media comes back in, there's going to be another craze. It happened last time. Couldn't it happen again? 100% it could happen again. But, you know, this time I'm not going to make the same mistake as last time where I'm going to be diamond hand this strong. I will definitely take profits if, you know, this goes crazy parabolic like it did last time. It's okay to take profits, especially if you've been holding as long as I have. I'm almost an OG in this. The only people that's been more OG than me is people that's bought last year. So for anybody that's brand new and considering jumping in on this right now, you are going to have one hell of a ride. If you jump in for anybody that bought in at 200 today or like around that 290, you guys are already down. And you guys are probably kicking yourself. And I know a lot of you guys are doing it. I know a lot of you guys probably did, honestly. Don't chase. Don't FOMO. Don't chase. It's not the way. Wait for this to die back down and jump back in. That's what I would do if I are completely missed out on this already. AMC's, like all the other meme stocks are pumping as well. AMC, I'm pretty sure my boy Brian Jung's gonna come back on tomorrow. Dude, this is at 10:20. My God, guys, let me know if you're bag holding AMC. I'm proud to be a bag holder of GME right now. Gotta be honest with you guys. I've got trolled so hard over the last 2 weeks, guys. You don't even know, man. There's some days I didn't even want to put out a video. For anybody that's still here, don't forget to drop a like. If you guys want some free stocks, use that Webull link. If you guys want to join the Discord, links are going to be in this in the links in the description as well. And my final thoughts here, guys. We are going to be on a rocket ship with GME right now. And if you guys want to get on the rocket ship, strap in. I'm talking to the diamond handers, all right? I'm not talking to the paper handers. The paper handers, they already are gone. They're done. There's no more paper hands in this. Just looking into the chat here. Let's go. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be prepared to go live stream tomorrow for a long time to cover this. I'm gonna try to find out which hedge fund, which whale bought all of this GME today. And I'm going to come back and report back to you. I'm going to report back to you with the short interest tomorrow as well. Tomorrow, if we do take off, 9 o'clock, guys, I'll be ready. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And thank you guys. Again, links in the description for free stocks. And definitely join my Patreon if you guys have a chance. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Drop a like. I love ya. GME to the moon. Diamond hands, baby. Come on, let's go.